Hello everyone. Are you ready to find words that begin with the letter M? Remember, the letter M makes the sound mm. Let's go under the sea and take a look. Oh, what's this? It's a monkey. Does monkey begin with M? Monkey. Monkey. Yes, it does. Here comes another word. What's this? It's a banana. Does banana begin with M? Banana. Banana. No, it doesn't. Bye-bye. Hello, here's another. What's this one? It's a moon. Does moon begin with M? Moon. Moon. Yes, it does. What's next? It's a garden. Does garden begin with M? Garden. Garden. No, it doesn't. Bye-bye. And here comes the last word. What is it? It's a mushroom. Does mushroom begin with M? Mushroom. Mushroom. Yes, it does. Fantastic. Good job, everyone. Today we found a monkey, moon, and mushroom. And they all start with the letter M. See you next time under the sea at Play English School. Bye!